Caldwell Surname Meaning and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English, Scottish, and Northern Irish habitational surname denoting a person who came from any of the several places in England or Scotland so named, from the Old English word ceald, meaning cold, and well or wella, meaning spring or stream, such as Caldwell in North Yorkshire, England, and Caldwell in Renfrewshire, Scotland. Early bearers included Adam de Caldwella in Derbyshire, England in 1195 AD, William de Caldwell of Scotland in 1342, Richard and John de Caldwell in Yorkshire, England in 1379, and Robert Caldwell was documented in Scotland in the year 1405. Noble titles held included the Caldwell Baronetcy of Wellsborough, a title created in the Baronetage of Ireland in 1683 for Sir James Caldwell, High Sheriff of the county. He owned Caldwell Castle, or Castle Caldwell, and also bought the estate at Wellsborough. The fourth baronet, Sir James Caldwell, fought as an army officer in the Austrian army, was made deputy governor, and elected fellow of the Royal Society. The fifth baronet, who I believe we see here, Sir John Caldwell, was an officer in India. And Sir John Caldwell, the sixth baronet, who died in 1842, lived in Canada, where he was Treasurer General. Here we see the family estate of Castle Caldwell, with the remains of it. Landed gentry families included Caldwell of New Grange in County Meath, Ireland, represented in the 19th century by Charles Benjamin Caldwell, Esquire, captain of the 91st Regiment. Caldwell of Linley Wood in County Staffordshire, England. And here we see one member of this family, James Caldwell, who was born in 1759. Notables included Admiral Sir Benjamin Caldwell, born 1739, a senior and experienced British Royal Navy officer of the 18th century. Joseph Caldwell, born 1773, a U.S. educator, Presbyterian minister, mathematician, and astronomer, who was the first president of the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. James Caldwell, born 1734, was a Presbyterian minister who played a prominent role in the American Revolution. John Curtis Caldwell, born 1833, was a teacher, a Union general in the Civil War, and a diplomat. Frank Merrill Caldwell, born 1866, was a career Army officer who served as Brigadier General during World War I and earlier as a Lieutenant Colonel during the Spanish-American War. James R. Caldwell, born 1778, was a United States officer in the Navy who served in the quasi-war with France in the First Barbary War. And lastly, Anne Marsh Caldwell, born 1867, was an American playwright and lyricist who wrote for both pop songs and Broadway shows. Last slide. Early settlers to the New World included John Caldwell, who came to Boston in 1643. Robert and William Caldwell came to Virginia in 1646. John Caldwell arrived in Massachusetts in 1654. William came to Virginia in 1640. Archibald Caldwell arrived in New Jersey in 1685. And John Caldwell came to Georgia in the year 1698. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.